The stock market is not a casino, it's a field where intelligence, discipline and patience determine victory. Inspired by Benjamin Graham's timeless wisdom, this book revisits the principles of value investing in a modern context. It aims to guide new and seasoned investors toward financial independence through rational analysis, emotional control, and intelligent decision-making. The Modern Investor's Guide is a powerful and practical roadmap for today's market enthusiasts, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. In this 15-chapter audiobook, I aim to bridge the gap between Graham's classic principles and the dynamic realities of modern markets, from behavioral finance and index investing to smart money flow and long-term wealth building. Each chapter offers clear explanations, real-world examples, and practical strategies designed to help listeners grow into thoughtful and confident investors, whether you are a beginner or a professional trader seeking discipline and clarity. Chapter 1: The Essence of Intelligent Investing. An investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and an adequate return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative. The real meaning of intelligent investing. Intelligent investing is not about being clever, lucky, or faster than others. It is about being rational, disciplined, and patient. The intelligent investor is not the one who knows the most formulas or market theories, but the one who has control over his emotions and decisions. In every market cycle, from the roaring bull to the fearful bear, most people act based on emotion, chasing when prices rise and panicking when they fall. The intelligent investor, however, acts according to principle, not mood. Intelligence in investing means understanding what you are doing, knowing why you are doing it, recognizing your limits, protecting yourself from your own impulses. It is not about predicting the market, but about preparing for whatever it brings. Investment versus speculation. Benjamin Graham drew a sharp line between investment and speculation, a line that many still blur today. Investment is based on analysis, safety, and adequate return. Speculation is based on hope, opinion, and excitement. If you buy a company's stock because you understand its business, value its earnings, and see that its price is below its worth, you are investing. If you buy it because you think it will rise tomorrow or because others are buying, it's speculation. Speculation is not evil. It is simply dangerous when you don't know you are doing it. Many investors lose money because they believe they are investing when in reality, they are speculating blindly. The intelligent investor admits when he is speculating and keeps that part of his capital small, controlled, and separated from his serious investments. The goal of investing. The true goal of investing is not to beat the market, but to achieve reasonable returns with minimum risk. Trying to outperform everyone else leads to emotional decisions and eventual loss. The intelligent investor focuses not on speed, but on survival, growth, and consistency. Investing is like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week to see if it has grown, you water it, protect it, and wait. In time, compounding works its silent magic. A 10% annual return doubles your money in roughly 7 years, 15% doubles it in 5. The intelligent investor values the slow, Sure power of compounding over quick speculative thrills. The margin of safety principle. The margin of safety is the cornerstone of Graham's philosophy. It means buying a stock or bond only when it is priced significantly below its true value, so that even if your judgment is imperfect, your capital is still protected. If a company's intrinsic value is 100 rupee per share, the intelligent investor would not pay more than 70 rupees or 80 rupees. The gap between price and value is your margin of safety. This principle applies not only to stocks but to every decision in finance. Lend less than the collateral's value. Buy below worth. Never depend on perfect forecasts. The future is uncertain, but safety margins create resilience. They protect you when the world turns unpredictable, as it always does. Emotional intelligence, the real edge. Markets are full of intelligent people who fail not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack emotional discipline. When greed takes over in bull markets or fear dominates in crashes, logic disappears. The intelligent investor's strength lies not in prediction but in preparation. He does not panic when prices fall, because he knows he bought with safety. He does not get carried away when prices rise, because he knows markets swing between optimism and pessimism. Success in investing is 10% knowledge and 90% behavior. The power of independent thinking. To be an intelligent investor, you must think independently. Crowd opinion is often wrong at extremes, when everyone believes the market will never fall, or when everyone believes it will never rise. Graham advised, "You are neither right nor wrong because the crowd disagrees with you. You are right because your data and reasoning are right." The intelligent investor studies facts, not forecasts. He values logic over noise. In an age of social media and instant analysis, independent thought is a rare and powerful advantage. The investor's mindset. The intelligent investor sees stocks not as pieces of paper, but as ownership in real businesses. He focuses on the company's earnings power, its management quality, its competitive edge, its long-term prospects. He understands that short-term market prices are reflections of emotion, not value. In the short run, markets are voting machines. In the long run, they are weighing machines. Key lessons from Chapter 1. Invest, don't speculate. Base decisions on facts, not forecasts. Seek safety first. Profit will follow when risk is managed. Control emotion. Fear and greed destroy more wealth than bad analysis. Think independently. Follow logic, not the crowd. Use a margin of safety. Protect your capital against uncertainty. Be patient. True wealth grows quietly over time. The essence of intelligent investing lies not in brilliance, but in discipline. It is a moral and psychological test, not an academic one.